A very pleasant morning to respected Vice Principal Melita ma'am, all my teachers and my dear students. I'm glad to welcome you all to the Inter-House Science Quiz competition. This is a game of mind, intellect, power and joy. I would also like to welcome all the contestants as without them no competition would be possible. I'd request our Honorable Vice Principal Melita ma'am to address the gathering.
For Enel Dalmia High School, we always believe in giving the best to the students and the quality education and the holistic development of the students. Now, this quiz will really give you all the insight of what's happening not only in your textbook but also beyond the textbooks as well. But this knowledge is really important for us at this age where we can imbibe and grasp as much as we can. At the same time, it teaches us about the group dynamics, team leadership, leadership spirit, and leading the team. So these are the skills which we develop, and so why the quiz competition comes in. Hoping all the best for the contestant. May the best one win. It's going to be a healthy competition, definitely, for sure. I'm sure it's going to be a very tough and a strong competition. So all the best for my lovely students. May this bright morning bring wonders and lovely answers to the questions put across by the teachers, and you have the answers ready with you. With this, thank you, and you can start with your competition.
I have Yashika to warmly welcome everyone this morning. Yashika.
Good morning, respected ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Yashika Sood, would like to warmly welcome you all for the first digital quiz competition of grade 5, that is, the science quiz competition. The more you know about the surrounding, the more beautiful and enriching your life becomes. These competitions will develop our knowledge and will inculcate scientific attitude within us. Wish all the participants best of luck for the quiz. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Yashika. Science is a way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. The aim of science is to seek the simplest explanations of complex facts. A competition makes us strive better. Today's science quiz competition aims at instilling the curiosity to recognize and interpret the various phenomena taking place all around us and relate it with our daily lives. I take this privilege of introducing today's contestants. We have 4 houses: Agni, Jal, Prithvi and Vayu. We have 3 contestants from Agni House. Contestant number 1, Anya Khan from 5th A. Contestant number 2, Ikra Kaware from 5th A. Contestant number 3, Seza Qureshi from 5th F. Here we have Rishikesh Bhosle, junior head boy from Agni House, to motivate his team members.
A small spark can start a great fire. Greetings to all. My name is Rishikesh Bhosle and I am the junior head boy. On behalf of Agni House, I am here to say and encourage my teammates. Agni gives the qualities of strength, force, energy and leadership. I believe that all my enthusiastic and powerful teammates are equally capable to win this healthy competition. All the very best to everyone. May the best one win today. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishikesh, for your motivating words. The next 3 members are from the Jal House. We have contestant number 4, Sanvi Kaushik from 5th C. Contestant number 5, Adhiraj Rawat from 5th E. We have Devansh Gupta, contestant number 6 from 5th E. Here we have Pahal Newal, junior vice captain of Jal House, to motivate her team. Over to Pahal.
Nothing is softer or more flexible than water, yet nothing can resist it. My name is Pahanwal, the junior vice captain of Jal House. Today, I am here to motivate and cheer up my teammates. As Jal is associated with loyalty and confidence, I believe my team will give their best shot confidently today. All the very best team, may the best win. Thank you.
Next 2 contestants are from the Prithvi House. Contestant number 7, Laiba Sheikh from 5th A. Contestant number 8, Aiza Khan from 5th B. And we have Tanvi Patnaik, Junior Vice Captain of Prithvi House, to motivate her team. Over to Tanvi.
Greetings to all. My name is Tanvi Patnaik and I am the Junior Vice Captain of Prithvi House. Today I am here to encourage my teammates. Yellow is the color of sunshine and is associated with progress, joy and intellect. We believe all my intellectual teammates will rock today's quiz competition joyfully. So teammates, are you all ready? All the best to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanvi, for your motivating words. The last 3 contestants are from the Vayu House. Contestant number 9, Samriddhi Singh from 5th A. Contestant number 10, Arya Bed Pathak from 5th C. And we have the last but not the least, contestant number 11, Jayan Sharma from 5th F. Here we have Jasleen, the Junior Vice Captain of Vayu House, to encourage her teammates.
A warm welcome to our respected ma'am, teachers and all my teammates. My name is Jaslyn Farrow, the Junior Vice Captain of Vayu House. Today, I'm here to motivate and cheer all my teammates. Vayu represents a successful beginning which stands for purity, innocence and perfection. All the very best team, may the best one win this competition. Thank you.
I'm sure you all are excited, right? So we begin with the competition. This competition consists of 3 rounds. The very first round is question answer round. The second round is identification, that is picture based round. And the third round is the rapid fire round. So I will be telling you the rules of the question answer round. Each contestant will be asked one question. The contestant will get 30 seconds to answer the question. The students are not expected to mute themselves once the question is being asked. Any unethical action seen or heard will lead to disqualification. The question will not be passed to the next contestant. The video has to be on throughout the competition. Okay students, so are we all ready for the first round? The rules are clear to everyone? So the first question goes to contestant number 1, Anya Khan from Agni House. Anya, your first question. Which type of animals are known as invertebrates?
Invertebrate animals are the animals which do not have a vertebral column.
That's the right answer. The next question goes to Ikra Kaware from 5th A. Ikra, your question is, what are floating reefs?
Ma'am, floating breeds are the breeds.
Ribs, R-I-B-S, ribs. What are floating ribs?
Yes, ribs are ribs which protects the internal organs and thoracic organs, and it is located here.
Sorry Ikra, that is the wrong answer. The last 2 pairs of ribs which are not attached to the breastbone, they are called the floating ribs. Okay Ikra, we now move to contestant number 3, Seza Qureshi from 5th F. Seza, your question is, which type of muscles are known as involuntary muscles?
The muscles which are very powerful are known as involuntary.
That's not the correct answer, Seza. I'm sorry. The muscles whose movement cannot be controlled by us are called involuntary muscles. Okay, the next question goes to Sanvi Kaushik from Jal House. Your question is, mention one point of difference between a fixed pulley and a movable pulley.
A fixed pulley is a pulley which can't be moved, and what was that question? Complete question?
You have to mention one point of difference between a fixed pulley and a movable pulley.
Movable pulley is pulley that can be moved by a rope or chain. A fixed pulley is a pulley which can't be moved.
That's not the completely correct answer. It has the axle fixed. In fixed pulley, the axle is fixed. In case of movable pulley, the axle is free. So we can't give you this one. Sorry, Sandhi. We move to Adhiraj Rawat from Jal House. Adhiraj,
Yes,
your
miss.
question is, which speciality of bones makes it light but incredibly strong?
Miss, the bones are hollow. That makes them light but incredibly strong.
That's the correct answer, Adhiraj. We move to the next contestant, Devansh Gupta, also from Jal House. Devansh, your question is, which type of joint allows movement in only one direction?
Hinge joint allows movement in only one direction.
That's the correct answer, Devansh. We now move to the two contestants of Prithvi House. Contestant number 7, Laiba Sheikh. Laiba, are you ready? Okay, your question is, name any two simple machines that are used in a bicycle.
The two simple machines that are used in a bicycle are wheel and axle and lever.
Correct. That's the right answer. We now move to contestant number 8, Aiza Khan from Prithvi House. What is meant by forest biological diversity?
Forest biological diversity or forest biodiversity is the study of the life forms found in a forest.
Yes, what is thermodynamics? Okay, we now come to the next participant, Arya Bed Pathak from Vayu House. Arya, sometimes we use a spoon to open a tightly closed lid. So the spoon here denotes which kind of simple machine?
Lever.
Which class of lever?
Which class 1 lever?
Okay, correct. I'll give you that. Next question goes to contestant number 11, Jayan Sharma. Jayan, are you ready? Convection.
Students, now we will begin with the second round. Students, competition help us gauge our own potential and help us gather more in-depth knowledge. Now we will begin with the second round, that is visual round. That is identification, picture-based questions. And the rules for it is, each contestant will be asked one question. The contestant will get 30 seconds to answer. The students are not expected to mute themselves once the question is being asked. Any unethical actions seen or heard will lead to disqualification. The questions will not be passed to another contestant. The video has to be on throughout the competition. So, are you all ready, students? Now, we'll go to contestant number 1, Anya Khan from Agni House. And your question is, identify the part and mention its function. And your time starts now.
Pass.
Pass. Okay. The next question goes to Ikra Kaware from Agni House. And your question is, mention the name of the muscle and its type.
Miss Pass.
Okay. The next question goes to Sheza Qureshi from Agni House. And your question is, identify the type of simple machine and explain its mechanism. And your time starts now. Okay. The next question goes to Sanvi Kaushik from Jal House. And your question is, identify the type of lever and define its components.
It's the class 3 lever.
Yes.
In a third class lever, the effort is in the between. The load, this is a speed multiplier, as the load arm is bigger than the effort arm.
Identify and define the simple machine in this body part.
A coniferous forest and its location is Europe and Europe. For the plants, flowers, and this is a picture for the greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane. This is a picture of the greenhouse gases. The sun rays pass on the earth and the greenhouse gas reflected back to the earth.
Okay, it's a correct answer.
So before the round, I'll explain you the rules. The rules for the rapid fire rounds are the contestant will be asked a set of 5 questions to answer. Each question will be allotted for 10 seconds. Any unethical action seen or heard will lead to disqualification. The question will not be passed to the next contestant. The students are not expected to mute themselves when the question is being asked. The video has to be on throughout the competition. These are the rules which you have to follow for the rapid fire round. So here we start with our first contestant, Anya Khan. So Anya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So your first question is, name a simple machine made with a rod or a bar.
The simple machine that is made with a rod or a bar is called the lever.
Correct answer. Second question, name the jelly-like substance present inside the bowl.
The jelly-like substance present in the bone is called the bone marrow.
Correct answer. Third question, nearly how much percentage of Earth's surface is covered with forest?
Nearly 30%.
Correct answer. Fourth question, name the largest and the heaviest bone in the human body.
Femur.
Correct answer. Fifth question, what type of simple machine is a doorknob?
Doorknob is a wheel and axle.
Correct answer. So here we move to the next contestant, contestant number 2, Ikra Kaware. So Ikra, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your first question is, name the ring-shaped bones that makes up the vertebral column.
A pass.
Second question, give an example of pulley.
The example of pulley is like a fixed pulley, moving pulley, compound pulley, and also by raising the flag, pulley system is necessary.
Okay, correct answer. Your third question is, what is the chemical formula for methane gas? Sorry, time up.
Surplus.
Your fourth question is, the answer was CH4. The fourth question is, which forests are situated in the areas with the hot temperature?
Tropical forest.
Complete the answer.
A tropical forest is the forest which is humid and it is a rainforest.
Okay, correct answer. Correct. Your fifth question is, how many muscles do human beings have?
Time is up.
4.
Time is up.
The correct answer is 600 or 640 muscles. Now we move to the third contestant, contestant number 3, Sheza Qureshi. So Sheza, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
The first question is, what is the spiral groove in a screw called?
Spinal cord.
Sorry, wrong answer. It is called thread. The next question, second question, name the group of gases that include perfluorocarbons, hydrofluorocarbons, and sulfur hexafluoride.
Greenhouse gases.
Sorry, it is called as fluorinated gases. The third question is, hemlock tree is found in which forest?
So can you repeat?
Hemlock tree is found in which forest?
Time is up.
The answer is coniferous forest. Your fourth question is, a bottle cap is an example of which type of simple machine?
Third class lever.
Sorry, it is called as a screw. Your fifth question is, how many vertebrae bones are there in sacral vertebrae?
33.
Sorry, it's 5 bones. Correct answer is 5 bones. We move to the next contestant, contestant number 4, Sanvi Kaushik. Sanvi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Your first question is, which is the most common greenhouse gas produced by different human activities, mainly industrialization?
Carbon dioxide.
Correct answer. The second question, name the only movable bone in the human skull.
Mandible.
Correct answer. Your third question, name the disease in which inflammation caused to the joints, causing difficulty and pain in movements and limiting the same.
Arthritis.
Correct answer. Your fourth question. Which areas in India are known as hotspot of biodiversity?
East areas.
Sorry, it's wrong answer. The correct answer is Western Ghats. Your fifth question is, name the girdle which consists of two bones.
Pelvic girdle.
And one more.
And
Time is up.
Okay, it is the sacrum and conics or pelvic. So half marks for the fifth question. We move to the next contestant. Contestant number 5, Adhiraj Rawat. Adhiraj, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your first question is, in which class of liver the load lies in between the fulcrum and the effort?
Second class liver.
Correct answer. Your second question is, name the bone related disease in which the bone density is reduced and there is increased risk of bone fracture.
Osteoporosis.
Correct answer. Your third question is, according to scientists, how many estimated terrestrial species are there?
So pass.
The correct answer is 8.7 million. The fourth question, which greenhouse gas is emitted during the industrial and agricultural activities?
So carbon dioxide.
Sorry, it's a wrong answer. The correct answer is nitrous oxide. The fifth question is, what is the full form of CBD?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
What is the full form of CBD?
CDD.
CBD. C for
So conventional biological diversity.
Yeah, correct answer. So we move to the next contestant, that is contestant number 6, Devansh Gupta. So Devansh, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your first question is, which type of joints allow movement in all directions?
Pivot joint.
Sorry, it's a wrong answer. The correct answer is ball and socket joint. The second question, which type of simple machine is a car jack?
Screw.
Correct answer. Your third question is, which part of leg has the seam bone and the calf bone?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Which part of the leg has the seam bone and the calf bone?
The lower part of the leg.
Correct answer. Your fourth question is, which forest is also called as scrublands?
Mediterranean forests.
Correct answer. Your fifth question is, how many pairs of floating ribs are present in rib cage?
2 pairs of floating ribs are present in the rib cage.
Correct answer. So here we move to the next contestant. Contestant number 7, Laiba Sheikh. So Laiba, are you ready?
yes, sir.
Your first question is, what are the gases that present in atmosphere and are responsible for absorbing heat called?
Greenhouse gases.
Correct answer. Your second question is, which bone aids tongue movement and swallowing?
Hyoid.
Hyoid bone. Correct answer. Your third question is, which type of liver is a nutcracker?
Second class.
Correct answer. Your fourth question is, name the type of joint present in wrist and ankles which allows the bone to slide over each other.
Gliding joint.
Correct answer. Your fifth question is, what are the organisms that make up the living part of an ecosystem called?
Biotic components.
Correct answer. We move to the next contestant, that is contestant number 8, Aiza Khan. Aiza, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your first question is, name the sloping surface that connects a lower level to the higher level.
Inclined plane.
Correct answer. Your second question is, where the smallest bones in the human body located?
They are located in the middle ear, namely malleus, incus, and stapes.
Correct answer. Your third question is, what is the chemical formula for nitrous oxide gas?
N2O.
Correct answer. The fourth question is, what is the study of interdependent relationships of flora and fauna in the forest is termed as?
Forest ecosystem.
Correct answer. Your fifth question is, name the fixed point around which the bars moves in a lever.
Fulcrum.
Correct answer. So here we move to the next contestant, that is contestant number 9, Samriddhi Singh. So Samriddhi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your first question is, what is the system of several overlapping food chains known as?
Pass.
The correct answer is footwear. Your answer. The second question is, what is the full form of CFC?
Chlorofluorocarbon.
Correct answer. The third question is, which is the thinnest and the most delicate bone of vertebral column?
Cervical vertebra.
Yeah, correct answer. The fourth question, what is the another name for breastbone?
Sternum.
Correct answer. The fifth question, which greenhouse gas is released when fossil fuels like natural gas, coal and oil are burnt?
Carbon dioxide.
Correct answer. So here after this we move to the next contestant, that is contestant number 10, Arya Ved Pathak. So Arya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your first question is, name the connective tissue which joins bones to skeletal muscles.
Tendons.
Correct answer. Your second question is, which joints joins the skull to spine?
Pivot joint.
Correct answer. Your third question is, which simple machine has a piece of wood with two inclined planes?
Wedge.
Correct answer. Your fourth question is, where are the red and white blood cells produced?
Bone marrow.
Correct answer. And the fifth question is, which type of liver is a fishing rod?
Class 3 liver.
Correct answer. Now we finally move to the last contestant.
Yes, sir.
Your first question is, which type of muscles are present in stomach?
Sir, the involuntary muscle.
Correct answer. Your second question is, name the substance which join two bones together.
Sir, cartilage.
Sorry, it's a wrong answer. The correct answer is ligaments. The third question, which type of lever is crowbar?
Sir, can you please repeat?
Which type of lever is a crowbar? Sorry, time up.
Time is up.
It's the first class lever. The correct answer is first
Sir,
class
I
lever.
told class 1 liver. Told class 1 liver.
I
Sir,
didn't
told
hear you.
class 1 liver.
I didn't hear you. The fourth question is, which girdle consists of bones, scapula and the clavicle? Yeah.
Time is up.
The correct answer is pectoral girdle. The last question, fifth question, what are the organisms like worm, microbes, fungi, etc. known as?
Sir, can you please repeat?
What are the organisms like worms, microbes, fungi, etc. known as?
Decomposers.
Correct answer. So students, everyone gave a wonderful answer. So here we end with our rapid fire round. So thank you everyone.
Thank you, Chetan sir, and thank you, contestants. You have been wonderful. Propose the vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon, ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Pehelwal, studying in grade 5th D. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution to make this quiz competition a successful one. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards the organization for giving us this wonderful digital platform to develop competitive skills and knowledge. Thank you, ma'am, for always motivating us, inspiring us all constantly. Thank you, teachers, for guiding us all constantly to give our best. A big thank you to everyone once again for being with us and gracing our event. It's been really a great pleasure. Wish you all a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you so much, Melita ma'am, to be a part of our science quiz competition. Thank you, contestants. You have been wonderful. So with this, we come to the end.